In this video, we will show everything you need to know to get started with Texto. After your login, you are shown the My Projects page. To create a project, click on the New Project button. After filling out the form and clicking on Save, a new project will appear on your page. Your projects are shown in alphabetical order. To show relevant projects at the top of the list, use the Favorites icon. You can add an image by clicking on the More Options menu, 3 dots for a project. You can also create folders to organize your projects with the New Folder button. When you click on a project, you are taken to the Project page. Each project can contain many documents. To create a document, click on New Document. You can also import files with the Import Document button. You can click on New Folder to organize your documents in folders. To invite a new member to join your team, go to the Project page and, on the side column, click on the Team tab and then on Edit. You need to be Project Administrator in order to edit the team. You can also add an image on the second page when you're inside the project through the Image field on the left side of the screen. Use the Export button if you want to download a document. The Online column shows the participants that have that document open. Users who are not working at the moment are shown as absent, indicated by the letter Z. When you open the document, you are shown the Text Editor page. The text editor has a selection bar below the script where you can choose what kind of element you want to write. Or you can use keyboard shortcuts. To add a comment, select the segment, right-click and choose Add Comment. You can also use the plus button at the top of the editor or keyboard shortcuts. Icons indicating comments left in the document are shown on the right side of the script. Comments can also be seen in the Support column in the Comments tab. Tags are marks that you can include throughout your document, and they can cover different subjects. To create a new tag, click on Manage and then on New Tag. The tag you create can be placed several times in your text. To place a tag, select a segment of text, right-click and select Add Tag. You can also use the plus button at the top of the editor or keyboard shortcuts. The tags inserted will appear in the Support column in the Tags tab. You can filter tags using the button in the upper corner of the Support column. The filter changes all 3 columns. As you select a tag in the filter, the Support column will show only the instances of the filter tags. On the Editor column, the segments where the tags are applied will be highlighted. On the left column, you will be able to check the Graphics tab and see the curves formed by the values of the filtered tags. The Tags report will generate a PDF containing all information on each tag, including the segments where it was placed and the segment header and page number, among other information. When the filter is active, only the filtered tags appear on the report. This way, you can print reports that combine tags any way you like. In addition to scenes, Texto lets you add other divisions to help guide your creative process. These are higher-level elements corresponding to sequences, acts, and episodes. To create them, position the cursor in a segment and then click on the More button at the top of the screen or right-click on the document. Choose which division you want to insert. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. With these tools, you will be able to mark the beginning of sequences, acts, and episodes in your script. Whenever you create a division, all its sublevels will also be created, because you cannot start an act, for instance, without also starting a sequence and finally a scene. To delete the divisions you created, click on the trash can. They are deleted in parts. You can create summaries of sequences, acts, and episodes. To access the summaries, click on a divisions icon at the left side of the headers, or click on the buttons at the top of the text editor column. You can hide your script temporarily, leaving visible only those parts that comprise the step outline. If you get just the summaries of the acts, you will have a synopsis of the whole story. On the left column, the browser follows what is being shown on the script, making it easy to access and allowing you to move the levels. In order to move scenes, sequences, acts, or episodes, just drag and drop them into the place you choose. When you drag a higher level division, all subdivisions it contains will be moved along with it. On the column at the left, you can view information about the sizes of the scenes in eighths and also provide an estimate of the time each scene will last by specifying a number of seconds. The durations of sequences, acts, and episodes are calculated automatically by adding up the sizes of the pages in eighths as well as the time they contain. Everything you do in Texto is automatically saved. To check that the document is being saved, observe the message in the footer of the page. The text can only be saved if there is an active internet connection. The online column shows the participants that have that document open. When you click on a user's initials, the text scrolls to the point in the document where that user is working. In order to send new messages, click on the chat icon in the project's footer. Each document has its own chat and all messages are saved in the history. If you have any questions, watch our other videos with separate tutorials for each tool in our YouTube channel or click on Contact Us. Now that you have an overview of Texto's functions, it's time to start creating.